Test 1 2 3. Test 1 2 3.
It's going down. We out here in Miami. The Miami vibes, and it's finna get crazy. Let's get inside.
Whoa. Hold on. It's your boy Blue Marvel. Come check me out. But we got somebody special here, too. Why don't you come over here and introduce yourself, my man?
Yeah, so you already know what's going on. Funny man, Bloomble, that's my new name. Don't even worry about Gatelin no more. Y'all know what's going on. We at the motherfucking lab.
So what's the word? So this is the squad, man. It's everybody. You see what we got?
I here working, you hear me?
Man,
I here working.
if y'all only knew, man, we'll let you know soon. Who's that guy right there, man?
Man, you see where we at, man. And you know who it is.
Yeah, let's get it.
Yeah, this thing is man. This thing right here is powerful.
Yeah, so we just unloaded the entire truck. It was full of
empty,
stuff.
The lab.
It just
The
says
lab,
the
bro.
lab, man. I mean,
How do I
it's.
look up under here? Get up under here with me, bro. How we look up?
This might be the thumbnail, matter of fact.
Yeah, how we look?
We did it. NFT. This
Yeah,
is a
how we
$1 billion
look up under
NFT.
here, man?
Come on.
Yeah, you know.
The lab. You see it? You see it?
Look.
You see it?
Uh-oh.
Jeez, you see it? You
What
see
can
it?
I say?
Come on.
I mean,
Come
what can
on.
I say?
What's going on?
Look at the caption that Snapchat brought.
No. I'm upset, bro. I'm upset. Bro.